What's up, guys? Welcome to Spark and Trade with your boy Spark. All right, we are live. I'm currently in this trade to the upside. Tried to take it here, but got stopped out really quickly. So, basically tried to catch a falling knife when I saw the market, starting to break below a certain level, which is going to be around here somewhere. So I figured they'll do a stop hunt, and let's just kind of look at why I took this trade. I can get this here. All right, we're all set. So we had a demand line form on a 15-minute. I believe one came in on a 30 and on the 1 hour over here. So I was pretty confident in taking a pullback somewhere around here, hoping that we defend this level. Whether we did or didn't is kind of out of my control, but if you look at the 5-minute, this is what price action I'm looking for. Basically looking for them to kind of push away from the demand, come back, retest it. I would have taken this entry. I would have gotten stopped out with this move here. This is a higher low kind of double bottom play right here. This is a stop hunt move. So they ran stops because they knew stops were, somewhere below here, whoever tried to catch that falling knife. And then we had like a nice steady, slow climb back up. Now we do have supply lines coming in on the 5-minute, and this area right here should be a really strong area to break through because it's gonna flip. Like, people should stop out if we get above that, but a lot of people should be getting in right here with a stop right above that. So it all really depends. If this is gonna be a what do you call it? Head and shoulders, reverse head and shoulders or not. But it looks pretty good so far to the upside. So yeah, we're taking longs down here. And you can take your pick. We have demand lines on the 15, 1 hour, 30-minute. Let's just take a quick look at the macro view. Make sure everything is squared away here. So on the daily, I believe we moved down to the daily money zone. So yeah, we're expecting this kind of recovery from this green zone, or at least I am. And this over here, I'll take this thing off to not confuse anyone. This play is actually calling shorts, still inside the area where people should get in. And if it decides to start breaking down into these levels, man, what a bloodbath we're gonna see today. But yeah, we have no significant lines other than this one back here that's also a demand line. So we have 4 hour, 1 hour, 30-minute, 15-minute, 5-minute demand down here, which, you can see why. And, the play is currently working, but we do have some supply coming in on the 5-minute. So we might get a little bit of pushback here. But the play is pretty solid so far. We'll see where we end up. I'm definitely taking profit when we hit 887. We'll try to take some of the risk off the table. Nice little push there. Yeah, you can see we're gonna go ahead and try to take a shot at it, but we got purple candle conditions. Under these conditions, you can yourself just take longs, unless it's going to be one of these. So it's a tight stop if you get stopped out. There we go. We should see smoke right there, so I'm going to go ahead and start TPing. So we got one out. I'll leave that one there and I'll move this up. They're gonna grab you, of course. All right, well, that's it. Free trade here. We'll stop out full stop if they get there or if they get there, and yeah, not a bad trade. this guy right here, he got in at 17. We made it all the way up to 76, so that's about 60 points. 32, 40 entry. This is my last one here, so a 32. Yeah, that one could pay out pretty well. 62, 62, 72. So almost 40 points on that one. Oh yeah, so like, don't really necessarily like. I think I want them to flip this trend. If they do, we're on the good side. If they don't, then we're gonna get like crushed back down to my trail stop. But as I mentioned, like it's not gonna be easy to break through this. So I started taking profit somewhere right there, just to kind of defend the play. Like it makes no sense to make these entries go all the way back down there to me. Or maybe I'll regret it later on. I don't know. We are approaching the 15-minute money zone, 30-minute money zone. 1 hour money zone is still way up there. Price is oversold. You can tell by us getting all the way down here to standard deviation 3, standard deviation 2, standard deviation 1. And let's see what we're looking like on the 1 hour. Yeah, we still got room to go down on the 1 hour, all the way down to the pivot. So, want to play a little bit of defense. But, people might see this as a discount and continue to buy this up. Hey, King. This over here so you guys can see what's going on with the 30-minute. We should take the shit all the way up there to 960. It's about 2R. Yeah, it's about 2R.
Hey guys, how's it going?
What's up, man? How are you?
Good, good. How about you?
Good, bro. Happy New Year, man.
Yeah, you too.
Hey, good morning. Welcome back.
Hey, Spark, what's up?
Not much. Currently in some longs right now.
Oh, nice. Did you take that demand line off the 30-minute?
Yeah.
On the MQ?
Yeah, it's everywhere though. It's on a 4 hour, 1 hour, 30-minute, 15, and 5.
Nice. Yeah, I took that with you down there. I got out for 1 hour at 8:31. I exited, but it's a solid trade.
Nice. Yeah, I just got out at 9:20 at around 8:72. I got a runner in there. I'm hoping that runner gets into the 900s, but hopefully.
Nice, dude. Solid trade.
Yeah, I went for about 70 points there. So fucking pretty happy with the morning already.
Yeah, it's a good start. I took one bad trade at first, so I'm back to break even, thankfully. But
pretty cool. Same here. I tried to catch the falling knife when they broke the demand, and I got in at like 8:32, and then they just kept fucking falling. So I got stopped out at like around 8:20, token price. And then I was like, wait, they're basing out down here. So then I caught another crazy ass fill at 8:17. That was my first entry, and I didn't have to worry about that trade.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Dang, you caught like the lows. Yeah, once that the 1 minute was pretty clean, as it based out around 8:20s. You gonna hold that runner into open?
Yeah.
Nice.
Fuck it. I took out 2 already, so it's a free trade. And this run is gonna make me money regardless. So it's just a matter of whether they survive this sell off. There's a 5-minute supply up there too. So I managed to take that for like 2R. Got 2 out at 2R. See if this last one could go crazy. That morning volume's gonna fuck me. And I'm out. I know it. Fucking know it. Buy the dip.
Oh wow, yeah, it's a heck of a flush right there.
I knew it, dude.
We might have like an inverse head and shoulders forming though on the 5-minute. You see that?
Yeah, I do see that.
We'll see if that holds.
Look at the pump up, bro.
Wow. Oh, Tesla's numbers came out today.
Oh, really?
Be watching that. Yeah. How many cars they delivered? I think for 2023.
Yeah.
So it's got relative strength at Amazon this morning.
Some buyers stepping in right there. You need me? Sorry, yeah. No, relax. The laundry? Yeah, it's in there. Let me dry it.
Yo.
Hey man, what's up? How you doing?
What's up, dude?
What do you need?
Yep, having a white Christmas down in the cabin.
Nah, no white Christmas, dude.
Yeah, man, it's been warm.
It literally snowed in Tennessee, like, I think 2 days after we left.
Yeah. The temps finally dropped this week, but yeah, last week it was like in the 50s.
That was unfortunate. I'm like, damn it. But yeah, we had a really good time.
That's good though, man. That's sweet.
You took a whole week off, eh?
Yeah, I was just like reviewing my stats and stuff, but yeah, I just needed the break. But yeah, still got some stats reviewed.
Yeah, I took a long in futures off of the V shape, and then which was my first futures trade in like 12. I knew today was gonna be the day I get back in futures, so I traded that. I made a bit, and then
Wait, which time was that? Was that the 6:30? Sorry, the V shape.
no, that's 6:30 a.m.
Yeah.
No, it was when Vince basically started his stream. We peeked out. I don't know if you went into Vincent's stream today, but I think
We saw 820s.
yeah, something like that.
Okay, yeah, I got in there too. I got out for 1R.
Yeah,
That's
so
good.
I took that trade, and then now I'm just kind of looking at my options. I knew I was gonna get into a futures trade though. I felt it. That's why I had calmed it yesterday. I felt like for some reason it was gonna be the day, so I ended up taking a long there. I got out, and now I am in my option. So I don't even have my Ninja Trader open, so I can't really show like my entries, exits. But
Okay.
if I open it back up, I'll post it.
Yeah, I got in early. My first trade I got in, so it flushed at 6:30, and then around like 6:40, kind of based around a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
I got in there, got stopped out, but then got back in at what time was that? 8:27, and then rode that out to 1R, left at the
We're
8:30.
getting some real ramp downs right now. Nvidia ramping down, Microsoft straight off of previous day's close ramping down, Tesla's on the previous day lows now.
Oh wow, Tesla's dumping. Dang, it had good numbers too.
Yeah, that's why you don't trade the news. Trade the reaction to that shit.
Yeah.
What's going on, fellas?
Because you never,
Hey,
what's up?
Andy.
You never know if they were actually projecting to do better than the numbers that they released. You know,
Right.
so you never fucking know. Which is why they always say you sell that. You don't just buy the news or sell the news. You wait for the reaction and then let that determine what you think's gonna end up happening.
Shit, we might
I'm gonna
get
take some shorts right here.
I'm looking for some short stops, but we just fucking dripped out. I'm trying to see if we can get like a lower high on some names. Like I said, I'm trying to play for like real fucking A+++ type setup. So it might for me, I'm gonna be trading a lot less this year, but my size is gonna be a lot bigger on the trades that I do take.
Oh yeah, I think Nate was talking about that, right, in his Sunday scan.
Probably. I don't.
I just saw it this morning.
I left a comment on his video because I liked his breakdown on Mara.
Oh yeah.
But I think I might have missed that. I know he talked about it last year where he was like, I think for him it's different though because it's not the setup for him. It's the amount of liquidity that the stock has that prevents him from taking size. Like he can't take size in any normal penny stock. He has to take them in real names that has real liquidity. So I think when he's referring to it, I think for him he's referring to liquidity. When I'm saying it, I'm just worried about the setup because I can't fucking move markets the way that he can.
Right.
He took a sick trade on Morrow, man. I didn't even have that on my watch, and it has options too. Like
Yeah, watching him trade makes me want to get back into small caps and low flows and stuff.
dude, his trade because I don't know if you're on Twitter, but if you're on Twitter, he posted his whole chart, bro. I mean, when that guy got some sick ass scale-ins without even exiting, like it was just I don't know. That guy's different, bro. That guy's just
Man,
fucking
check that out real quick.
He's just different, bro.
Jazz, I'm in with you on shorts, man, but we got some sick ass demand down here, so I'm gonna go ahead and take this profit here.
Okay, for sure.
I mean that's on NQ though, so I don't know what SPY looks like.
Yeah.
But I'm out.
SPY's building. Okay, so supply on the micros were at previous supply, and then it's starting to build fresh supply on the 5-minute,
Mm-hmm.
and then on the 15-minute, this is the money zone right here. So if I'm looking for like a trend continuation, it would be basically right here.
Yeah.
If you do not know, we do have 2 news coming out. We have one at 9:45. I think that's like finalized PMI or some shit, and then 10 we have like construction or some bullshit.
You're about to crack the fucking demand, bro. This is crazy. So PMI at 10, you said, and
No, 9:45.
9:45 and 10.
Yeah, 10 is construction.
Okay, thank
So
you.
I don't think that's gonna do anything, but the PMI might.
Oh my god, you did it.
But this market's dripping right now.
Ooh-wee. Good thing.
Look at Meta just falling off the face of the earth.
What's wrong with this ball? I'm disrespectful. Damn, they folded that trend line. Oh man, that was crazy. Oh my god.
That was a beautiful entry for me, bro.
I had a sick one too, bro. Oh god, this would have been like $600 fucking dollars. I got about.
I'm up 190 right now.
Yeah, that's where I exited. I got 190 on that little ass move. 1 NQ though.
I'm gonna see if they're gonna retest that demand level, but this fall is pretty aggressive, so I think it might be good. Plus, I'm already in the money, so I'm gonna see how this could roll out.
Oh,
That's
my
looking
God,
so
that's
good, bro.
sick. Yeah, that shit is sick, bro. Everybody and their mom said, wait a minute, gap down? Gap and go.
It should bounce right here though.
Yeah, but I can't wait to buy this dip in the long term. I hope this shit keeps on dipping for the next like 2 months.
This is back down at a channel that I had on my 4 hour.
I posted a post this weekend with SPY statistically having a bad month in January. So for the last decade, it's had a tough January. So
Red month or like a choppy month?
no red. It's been red.
Oh, okay.
God damn it.
I'll start to bounce now.
God. Not in Q.
No,
Yeah,
I mean,
Nasdaq is
it's
struggling.
falling now again. That was just like a little, like, I guess it was like a small bounce.
Yeah, wow, that's getting work. They working that shit right now.
I'm almost up $1,000 right now, bro.
There goes you making that money back.
Yeah, bro. I'm up 990 right now.
Fucking contracts go crazy, bro.
Yeah, bro. Short contracts go fucking crazy, bro.
Shit, here it comes. Yeah, I can't take the shorts again, bro. Too close. That's a lot of demand down there. It's fucking.
Yeah, they're back at demand now.
It's a lot of demand down there.
I've been ordering to get out, so hopefully I get filled.
I'm sitting on hands till like 9:45, 10 a.m. and then I'm gonna start really engaging into whatever setups the market's able to provide me.
So, bro.
Okay.
There are some real good shorts across the board. Like Tesla was a 6 short. Yeah, Nvidia wasn't too good. I think Apple was pretty decent. Google was decent. Tesla seemed like it was probably the best one in terms of setups.
My goodness, bro. My goodness.
We need this fucking pullback. So anyone who's sitting here like, oh my god, we're free falling. Like, no, we fucking need this, bro. We need all of January to be a down month. Like, realistically.
This 4 hour fucking. Oh my god, this 4 hour looks brutal. We just breached the money zone on the daily.
But go back to what day is this? Is that the 20th? Yeah, the 20th on the 4 hour.
Mm-hmm.
We almost got like that same style of candle, and then it flushes, and then it just ran for like consecutive periods. Even if you go back to the 14th, almost like every 7 days. So on the 14th, it flushed out and then kind of stair-step back up.
Mm-hmm.
It flushed out, stair-step.
Nah, this price action to me is different though. I don't think we're gonna get like we might be able to get like a V shape here, but I think it's gonna be a lower high for a secondary move to the downside. I don't. We've lost a lot of macro support.
Yeah, but I'm sure on those days it did the same thing, because on the 20th it dropped from 1739 all the way down to 16757. 300 points.
Oh my
I
god.
took profit on that. I didn't want to. I
But
just
we
felt.
nowhere near the volume yet that those other candles had.
I took out 800 on that.
Cool.
Solid. Good
It's a
way
good way
to
to
start
start
the
the
year
year.
off.
Yup, exactly, bro.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I'm gonna switch to my practice account now. I ain't fucking around.
What's up? I could, if I didn't want $10 more, I could have taken out 990. But I mean, I'm sure the profit might come in, but I just assess the risk, and I'm like, bro, I'd rather just get out right here.
This motherfucker dead.
Yeah, but like how you have like the SPY, we have a 30 and 15 minute demand right here. It's like, bro, I don't even want to play with that.
Yeah, no, I think you're straight, man.
Yeah, I think that's a good first trade for the year. I don't think you
Yeah.
trade rest of the day.
Yeah, $800 trade. Come on now, bro. That's fucking insane.
Happy New Year. I'm thinking we might be able to get over to your place in Brooklyn this weekend, depending upon the weather. I'm not sure.
Minute.
Like D out here taking trades. I heard that.
I just put one in the system. Looking for it to break 16,783. Not. He's sitting on the sidelines.
Yeah, bro. I'm definitely being a little patient here. I'm gonna let this market come to me and come to my setups. Even though there's, like I said, there's been some good fucking real nice short opportunities. To be fair, real nice. But
Candle.
And that's why I did that. I put it in. It's either gonna work and trigger, or I'm gonna just take the order out of the system. But I ain't gonna
ooh, AMD getting crushed. Yo, the short bear looking real good on this fucking semiconductor shorts right now.
Which account am I in? Make sure I'm in the right account. 205. Okay.
God damn, bro. Fuck. Just take an entry and just stop above that candle? Like, what the? How the fuck do you play this right now?
Wait for a pop that makes a lower high. If you're going
Yeah.
for a fucking
Yeah.
short,
Yeah.
I mean,
that's how you have to play it.
Yeah, that's like the smartest way right now because of where we're at.
maybe. This shit is not giving no pops.
We're getting well. On individual names, we're getting some pops. I don't have my futures open right now, but I do have QQQ and QQQ still low. So
Oh, so I just got bought the fuck up right there.
Yeah, it looks like that was a nice little buy up. But like the last candle looked like that too. The last 5-minute candle looked like that, and then he slammed down again. This looks different. Whatever.
you just gotta be patient.
Shit is in a flush state, so every candle should close below the previous one. If that doesn't happen, then that shit is a dead duck. We don't see a bounce.
Tesla's showing some strength right now. Could get double topped here though. Tesla could be a good little play. I don't want to take that though. I don't think I want to take that. I think it's relatively strong versus names. I'd rather play something relatively weak.
Fucking A. What did SPCE dump to? Yo, we at 362? Ain't no fucking way. No, that's my average price. I was about to say. We at
This thing is about to
241.
get heavy, bro. Yup.
We still dumping?
Yeah, bro.
Woohoo!
That shit's getting
Let's
heavy.
go! I caught that shit.
That shit just broke lows, or like the lows that it was at in pre-market.
Yeah, that's exactly what I was saying. Like, if this shit is in the flush state, you ain't getting no pops that's gonna get you a higher low or whatever, a lower high. But let me take some off the table right there, because this motherfucker could snap.
Yeah, that was a 50 HMA like a peekaboo kind of esque move right there. On the 15-minute at least.
48. This 5-minute candle closes in about 2 minutes. Move this shit to break even.
Yeah, this is just nasty.
Damn, I definitely could have made that rack, but it's
Dang,
whatever.
820, where I dropped this
Bro,
line.
you'd be
this
up like
thing
2 racks right now, bro.
100 points down.
Yeah, I'd be able to like 1,400 right now.
From where this break that.
Yo, bro, I haven't done a flush setup like in forever.
I love puts though, bro. Real shit. That's my favorite thing to play.
That was sick. The day's over, boys. Put your pencils down. I just put my headphones on. Can you guys hear me?
Yeah, brother.
All right, cool. $30 is trying to build it, man. 1 hour is still trying to build it. That 5-minute candle closed lower than the previous one. Flush state is still active. Let's see if this is the bounce that fucks this all up. It's a big ass candle to take back though. They about to trigger a flush on the goddamn 15-minute, bro. This market's dead.
Shit looks heavy, bro. I really don't see any room for retracement.
Shit, we passed that point.
Yeah, it's been way past that. I mean, yeah, we might catch like a little bit of a bounce here, but we'll see what's up.
Yeah.
I'm done though for the day. I can't even trade anymore after that. That was really good.
That fucking theory where when price is below the 200 on the 1 hour, bro, or above it, you just look for supply, demand, and well, obviously in this case we're looking for supply. The 5-minute supply that came in at 920, that bitch killed this market.
Yeah, Tesla's super strong relative to everything else. That was probably going to be an unplayable name if going short. Because if this market can catch a bid, Tesla's going to react much better than everything else.
Yo, LMD, is it too early to look at the tick?
I've been kind of glancing at it, just going back looking and seeing where it kind of went up to and came down. So it's at 500 right now. So it should this should be the area where it kind of pushes back down. I took a quick long right there off of a 4 hour at a 4 hour like little support area.
Shit, I ain't got no 4 hour support until we done breached a few of them shits, bro. That's crazy. I can't.
Yeah, I was looking over at if you look at like December 14th and 15th, little slight area coming straight through there.
Yeah, I see that.
That I kind of figured it would kind of a little short-lived bounce, made like $100 off of it. Just a quick scout.
That's nice.
Any of these like long plays gonna be real short-lived. I'm not trying to not trying to see it do too much until it get over some other key levels that I have. But I think if it was gonna try to hold, that's the level that it needs to hold at. I got that line sitting at what, like 16,740? Maybe just a little bit lower than that.
I got a 669 1 hour level, but my 4 hour is all the way down at 612. They're trying to do that whole slip. This is fucking crazy.
So I think it'll try to bounce again right here at about 40 if it can get down there. Show you what I'm seeing.
Apple got downgraded.
Let's see if it breaks it. It's retesting level right there. Like I said, I think if it's gonna hold, this will be where it can kind of short-lived hold, but it looked like it's gonna give it up. This is where that tick chart comes in, that because you can kind of see how it's reacting to the level.
Why the fuck did Barclays downgrade Apple? Just look at how witnessing iPhone volumes and mix. Bounce back in Max, iPad, wearables.
Yeah, it's trying to hold. I'll give it to him. I just posted it where I drew the line that off my 4 hour over onto these other charts. They fighting. It broke the last level, so it's done. Look at them fight back up there.
AMD catching a bit of a bid. Tesla's about to go green on the day. Just trying for it.
Yeah, I think this level about to let go. And then if it lets go, you don't see another one until like 16,668 on the 4 hour.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah, 16,668 on the 4 hour chart. Nasty.
What?
The first trading day of the new year looks set to challenge the Santa rally theory. Dow futures down over 200 points as bond yield surges. Apple is downgraded. I'm about to hit full TP on this thing. Let's go look at some levels. This is fucking crazy.
Yeah, I said it gave up that level, so I don't see another level on the 4 hour until a nice little drop.
Tick chart came in with a demand there. 5 minute is still in a flush state. Candles are closing lower than the previous ones, so pressure's still on. We're not going to even see that bounce though.
Did with breakfast.
Later.
What's in there? Pico.
Yeah, even on the hourly, there's no support right here down to
You just ate
like
it.
670.
I know you want your toy. Alright, give it to you now.
Yeah, looks like they discovered another one. How many minutes? We got 5, 57, 8, 9, 10. We got about 2 minutes
3
till
minutes.
10.
Yeah,
That's a sick ass
like it's
window.
trying to catch support right here.
Yeah, that's gonna, this move right here could break the flush state in 5 minutes. We'll see though. We'll fuck around and get that last minute and just flush back down.
Yeah, and Tesla is green on the day. Oh,
I'm back
came back
long
red.
again. Quick little scout. Made another $100.
Looks like Apple's basing out. Yo, Jazz, I just took a look at SPY, bro. This shit looks like a baby move compared to NQ.
I see.
Yeah, no, I was looking at the charts. I was like, the move that you guys got was nothing like the one that I got.
Hell out.
This looks like the market's catching a bid right now.
Oh, right. Cool, cool. Have a
Yeah,
good
the
one.
news is about to hit in a couple seconds too. We finna see what that shit might do to it.
Oh, this is some bullshit. Yeah, they don't stop that. Damn, I was so close to fucking full target.
All right, we done for the day.
Oh my
Trying
god.
to set goals and keep them. So that's gonna be my goal for the day. Good Lord, look at this thing go too. Wow.
Yep, that candle officially just stopped the flush.
Good exit though. Good exit.
Oh,
Oh,
wow.
oh man. Oh, you gotta be kidding.
They not kidding. They do not kid.
Man, dude, I got out of my last position at 756. This thing is at 776.24.
Cocaine is a hell of a drug.
Man, show you this entire. Dang. That was pretty. That was pretty. That was smartly traded right there. I need to go anyway. I gotta go to this damn tow yard and get some shit out of my car. That's good. Not a bad first day, man. Jazz, hopefully you out the market too for the day.
Oh yeah, I'm done, bro. I'm done.
Yeah, man. Let's lock these good green days to start in.
Yeah, bro. $800 day on the first day back on the first day of the year. Come on, bro. I can't do it.
So these was my trade. Like I said, going long, I was just scalping my way. I wasn't in nothing like to. But look at how that thing reacted off of that 4-hour level. Came back and gave that retest. Once it gave the retest, I'm like, oh, it's on and popping. Oh, it's still, man, incredible. Yeah. We definitely gonna lock this day in. Yeah, I wasn't sure how I was gonna react to that 100 SMA on the tick chart, but it has blazed through every single one of them, and we're above it on the 1,000 tick chart. What the 4-hour look like? We leaving a nice. Oh, was How do I got a line at 16? Oh, okay, that's the previous. All right, I'm tripping. My 4-hour chart drops a candle for the previous candle. But notice what that 4-hour candle did based on the previous 4-hour candles that we saw. How it flushed out red and then left that like bottoming wick. And then it ran pretty much from that bottoming wick up the rest of the day. That's like 50 points though. 673 to 720, 40 points.
So money's on rejection.
You can almost take like one MNQ risking 16,719. I'm gonna do that in the sim account. Definitely can't do it in Apex account. So I'm gonna do it in the sim. I'm gonna take it on one MNQ, and I'm gonna risk 40 points.
This is the first official pullback of the downtrend, if there is a trend.
We'll do 50 points. Take the trade.
Enough.
All right, so I'm in one MNQ. And where we gonna put the stop at? The stop is gonna be at 16.718. Call it 16.718. All right, there we go. And how much risk is that?
You know,
That
while the
would be-
market was dropping, the fucking ad was going up. Sick.
That's risking $115. Let's see how that trade works today. And I'm gonna put my target. Let's see. That's trying to see. Sad thing is, all of these flushes were afternoon flushes. They weren't morning flushes. So that's what makes this a little different. 16.816. Is that a good target? 16.816. As the saying go, trade is the trade. Go 16.8.
That's wicked.
What I've been trying to do is just kind of look and see where the tick chart, or not, that TOS tick chart, where it makes its high at, what was it doing on
Jesus Christ.
another time frame? See, today 1 minute. So at 10 o'clock it was at the high, so it should have flushed. Oh no, we just now hit 10, so it should be ready to start kind of flushing. Yep. When it hit that high. What time do you have that $ tick set to? Still on your 5 minute?
Yeah.
It's better on the like kind of watch a 1 and 2 minute for a little while. And the reason I say that, on the 5 minute, you don't see when it's starting to like actually hit that top side and start coming back down. If you're trying to play that $ tick for like, because it looked like we use it for like a reversal play, right?
For entries and to determine.
Yeah, I'm saying, so like if it's at a negative, if it's at a positive, like say a positive 750, you're looking for a drop in the market. So you're looking for it to reverse whatever that's doing. So like, let me see, at 747, it was at a negative 500. So should have been kind of looking for a pop higher, and it did. Or did it? Nah, hell nah. That shit flushed next candle.
Oh, that sucks ass. They hit us with the money zone rejection. This shit could be a trend.
I had to see how it reacts at 740. 16,740 again.
shit, they about to go retest the money zone. Shit, supply just came in on the tick chart.
Oh, that's the part of it. You okay?
Oh, that's a strong candle. Finally.
Is this it's a possible higher low on the 2-minute chart?
Shit.
I'm long on that higher low right there in the NQ.
I like that.
I got my stop to low of day.
Okay, nice.
I like that. I think that looks like for QQQ right now. It looks like a bull flag.
Yeah, he looks pretty solid. It's got to get above the 90 minute, the 5-minute though. Looks like.
Mm-mm.
Oh, come on, just fucking hit my target. Disgusting. Fucking cochino.
Yeah. Let me flip this back to NQ real quick. I'm looking at MNQ.
We keep rejecting the money zone on the 5-minute.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, fucking A.
Can't give up this level right here. Otherwise, we're going to see 16,740 again. Don't want to see that. 1750.
Shit, I got no purple candles yet. Everything is still red from the 5 all the way up to the 1 hour.
It gave up 50, so now it's got to hold 40. Ho, 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 ho. Man.
Man, AMD is getting railed right now. It's like the weakest out of all the names I have.
Okay. Yes, I do.
Tesla back red on the day.
She fighting down there, boy. Yeah, it look like there's a buyer down there, big dog.
I might get interested in Amazon. Kind of long on small size though, against the trend. That's why.
Yeah, it's definitely basing out in a demand zone though. This higher low might not look too bad.
I keep
No,
seeing
I'm
this
away.
shit jump.
I'll wait a little bit. Not looking to play it yet. Amazon looks like it might double bottom, or it looks like it could try to double bottom, but it's definitely weaker than like Apple right now. Tesla's back green again. Probably.
Oh, looks like Apple's at the daily 50 SMA.
Yeah, man. If today's a no trade day for me, it might be a no trade day for me. I'm not gonna mind. 'Cause I don't like anything in terms of like trading right now. There were some good setups, but too early. And I'm really focusing on my A+++ ops. And none of them happened pre 945. All the A+ opportunities for me happen at 945. So if I don't see it past 945, here we go. Okay, we might double bottom here actually. If we can get a wick bought up back above, I guess 86.
49.
Nah, 86. I want to see 86 because that was the previous low.
Oh, that wick. Okay.
Yeah, so if we get bought up above that, I like it, but the weakness right now is telling me otherwise. And if I do take it, it's gonna be small size anyways. So it'll be 3 contracts, 3 $2.70 contracts. So not too much exposure. Yeah, I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna take it now. Take it now and see what ends up happening here. My risk could be the low of the candle. Keep my risk nice and established. Small size. Just let this thing work because it's not an A+ setup for me. So trade small.
Yeah, I might actually take that long with you. I'm kind of liking that price action.
It needs to get over 49 though, like you said. I'm in it for the double bottom, but it needs to like you said, the 49 is really the key. If we get up above that, I think we can see 49.50s, and then that's where I want to take my closure. 50. Well, for me, it'd be like a 60-cent gainer. So let that do what it's gonna do. Sit back and let these contracts work. That's all you can do. That's all you can do. And they're turning up nicely right now.
Yeah, I just long. Flush coming in. Put me back red. Let's see if it wants to hold that double bottom. If it holds that double bottom, still clean in my opinion. Yeah, closed right at the 90 made too bad.
QQQ looks like it's catching a little bit of a bid. Apple's catching a bid. Amazon hopefully can follow suit. It's ending off with a wick bottom, which is nice, but we need that to follow suit like some of these relatively stronger names. But I do like how it wicked off that sort of double bottom. It's not the cleanest double bottom, but double bottom nonetheless. QQQ is kind of gearing to help out the position. There we go. Nice turn up. Let this thing work, man. I'm looking for 50s. 50s, and I cut off 2, leave 1 on for a runner with a very minimal stop on it. Can't complain. This is looking decent.
Yeah, I was hoping to scale into NQ there too, but I think I missed it. I was looking at Amazon.
Need to get QQQ to stay firm or an NQ to stay firm, whichever one you want to look at. New 5-minute candle as well.
Clean high or low right there on NQ.
Apple showing some real strength. Apple might have been the one really to take. The one time I take my eyes off of Apple.
Yeah, it
You
was
know?
holding the 50 SMA, I think, on the daily.
I think Amazon's getting above the 9 though. It looks like on the 1 minute. So if it can, it just needs to get above that 21 as well. I think we can get a surge.
Yeah, 1 minute looks pretty good actually.
Yeah, I'm just looking for 50s, bro. This thing gives me 50s. I'm good. Like we're at 15 now. Ooh, big red right there. Apple just turned. I actually don't like that. Do I actually? Is this one of those trades where I let my stop eat my stop? Or I just take what the market's wanting to give me?
Another money zone rejection on the 5-minute on NQ. Kind of stuck in a little channel right now. Oh man, that's terrible. The whole fucking candle.
Oh yeah, it's looking heavy right there. NQ's failing back down to lows.
I'm still in it. If it wants to crack down that previous candle, then I guess I'll get out. My stop will be my stop.
Yeah, I got a hard stop at 75.
It's a good wick.
Oh yeah, Apple's
Oh
on
yeah,
go.
once it rejected there.
Yeah, I'm gonna get out.
They're killing us.
Oh well.
Still in my NQ position.
Oh, I'm all out.
I wasn't for Apple was probably the better one. I could have took out for a nice profit, but I was really looking for 50, bro, and I wasn't gonna fucking set up for anything less than that. That is exactly why downsize until A plus setup, and then I size into an A plus setup, and that makes fucking 3 weeks of gains in one trade.
Now you want to fucking make the move, you bastards.
Oh yeah, I just stopped out on it.
Yeah, baby.
Morning again.
What's going on?
Thank you for taking the carpet.
Oh yeah, you asked me to.
Yeah, I know. That's exactly. Did they take the sheets for the guest room? Okay, perfect. So when this is on mine.
I was hopeful for realistically, I was hoping for like a 149 50 and then fail off a 149 for me to get back short.
Let's get it started.
Oh yeah, I got 149.50 as the top end of this demand zone.
That's what I wanted, but oh well, dude.
Yeah, I think that was a decent trade, anyways. Even though it didn't work out, I think that was an acceptable loss.
Yeah, I mean, it reclaimed the double bottom, right? So it could have been where it stops everyone out and then it lunges and keeps on going. Just so happens it just didn't work this time. But you take that anytime you see that, like a double bottom or a fucking where it kind of flushes out one more time, stops everyone out, and then reclaims.
Yeah.
You have to take that because if you don't take that, you know, it's a miss. And it looked good. That's the thing. It also looked good. So
I would still watch it. Like I think you're right. I think these are levels where it definitely fell to a discount. A bounce is imminent. We just don't know when it's or how it's gonna happen. But yeah, man, it could have been a stop hunt. So I'll still watch that shit.
I don't think going long today's smart. I think that what you have to I think the only way you go long right now is if this market now specifically because of that trade. I think the only way you go long is if we catch a bid and then 15 20 minutes after we catch a bid, we come back down and we make a lower high or we tap it and we bid off of it again. But to get into a trade now, this is gonna tank out. I think this is just gonna drip out. Probably rest their day or we'll start to range again. But either way, if you're thinking, oh my god, why didn't I go short today? This is the initial short move. So this is the initial move is never as big as the secondary move. And that's how it always has been in the market. So this move that we're getting, while it looks sexy, you're gonna get pops that eventually will fade back down if this is a real downtrend, right? If January seasonality stands true, the initial move is never the main move, and this would be the start of the initial move. So for anyone who's like, oh my god, I missed my shot to go short, yada yada, it's like, nah, bro. Like, really, a lot of these levels are probably gonna be retested again, and then we're gonna tank and go lower.
Opportunity to go short again at around 10:05, 10 o'clock.
No, but I'm talking about the macro wise, like if you weren't able to catch any trade today, macro wise, a lot of these levels are going to be retested. We're not just gonna fall straight down and then come back straight up. That's not how the market's gonna maneuver. We're gonna break a lot of these demands, then we're gonna come back and retest a lot of the demands, turn supply, and then we're gonna fade. It's a good rule of thumb that the first initial move, like I said, if this is the first initial move to the downside, being that it's January 1st or 2nd, if this is the initial move, the secondary move is always bigger than the initial move. And if just to backtrack it, if you're thinking macro, think about if you shorten the time frames and you think about a 1 minute chart, when you get like a big pop and then a drop and then another pop that's a lower high, the lower high pop is always going to be exponentially bigger than the initial move of the original pop. That's just how the market moves. So that's just a good rule of thumb to live by for anybody who might be like, oh my god, I missed this. No, you didn't.
Big 7-11. Leading the way.
Oh, now Amazon wants to show relative strength versus Apple. Son of a bitch.
Yeah, I'm watching it again.
Like, you little bitch.
It could have just been a stop hunt, but
I think the original was I think this thing just drips out, bro. I do. And if it catches a bid, it catches a bid. But to me, that entry that we took was the better entry. Cause now it's like, what's stopping this from fading and fading and fading?
right.
So,
Yeah.
I mean, if Apple's fading, I'm under the assumption that Amazon's probably gonna fade.
Nvidia looks like it's double bottoming, giving a double bottom play too. Meta and Amazon.
It's been sideways for the past.
Yeah, Nvidia's kind of ugly though. It looks not too good. The tight range that it's in right now, after the big drop, like, there's better opportunities if you just wait it out.
Another supply came in on the tick chart. Fucking A, bro. They're gonna fucking short, and it was hesitating too much for me, so I got out of there. I got out green, but fucking 5 minutes later, this shit happened.
That's so funny.
Wow, Apple's really just failing.
Yeah, Amazon's leaving some topping tails right here.
Yeah, it's probably gonna fail too. I don't want to short down here. I need to realistically, like, if I wanted to take shorts, I need to see like a 150-50 pop, a 151 pop. That's what I need to see. If I don't get none of that, I'm not interested. And that's how a lot of these names are gonna look currently. Like Google, for instance. Google, I would need to see like a 139.50 pop. Apple, I would want to see 187 and 187.50 pop. Like, I'm gonna need some. I need a blow off move, like a move where everyone gets long, they think it's euphoric, and then it gets slammed right back on an intraday. That's what you need to see. But right now, man, I mean, it looks like you could just short, but I just couldn't short down here. No way. Not on any name either. By the way, SPY is like quadruple bottoming right now. I don't know how many fucking bottoms it's just placing in. So, looks like it could, you know, if this doesn't bring a new low in, things could probably catch a bid again.
Yeah, it's a bit more rangy than the NQ right now, looks like.
Yeah, SPY is definitely ranging. NQ's more downtrending. I think SPY's gonna let go. If this pattern works out the way that I think it could let go. And if not, it just ranges.
True, yeah, we do. Because she keeps taking it. We keep it here and then she takes it with her. I know. We have that minion now stuff and her good stuff in there, but she still takes the action figures and stuff. She loves her stuff, damn it.
Damn, dude. First trade of the year in the red. But not big, so it's all good.
716.
When your stuff is running a little bit out of it.
Ain't no fucking way they gonna do that, dude.
Yeah, SPY's gonna let it go. Looks like tape is getting heavy right now. The time in sales is getting heavy. Let's see. We might get a flush here. How many more seconds we got? We got 30 more seconds. Let's see. They might flush this thing down right now. Yep, there you go. That's just tape reading. Let's see how heavy this gets. Ooh, trying to catch a bid. Might happen. What we got? 6 seconds. Nah, it's probably not gonna happen. Oh, here we go. Actually, here we go. Nope. There we go. All right, this one should let it go. This is the fresh low, right? This is a new low. That's bad. But now it's getting waked up. Yo, let me find out. Fucking Amazon wants to start building higher lows, bro. Let me find out. Go over there and kick Jeff Bezos' dumbass, bro.
Bro, I'm telling you, just keep watching this market. They definitely playing dirty though, stopping shit out, possibly going back up. Apple's still fucking
here's
drinking
SPY coming
heavy,
down.
though.
Yep, SPY's so close to flushing. There we go. Yeah. It felt so close. And then it just bit it up, bro. Oh my god. Volatility hit this shit. I could have took SPY puts. I don't know why I didn't. I completely forgot that I can just trade SPY. Because this shit made a perfect lower high-esque, you know, at like 10, 15 around that area. It made like a real nice lower high. Like, and I completely forgot, hey, you can just get puts for this shit. Yeah. Should have just played that. That was a good opportunity. Ooh, nice bid. but a lot of pressure coming in. A lot of pressure coming in.
Wow, Tesla looks ugly this morning.
What happened?
Tesla looks ugly this morning.
It had a good long op, bro. It had a good
It
long
did,
and
yeah.
good short op, honestly.
Right now, it's just kind of like in the middle of the range.
Yeah, I mean, if it's gonna be a range, that you just gotta play the top end and the bottom end on Tesla. But keep in mind, Tesla's been relatively strong, so like that shouldn't even be like a name you really pay attention to, unless you're willing to play longs if this market catches a bid. Because I wouldn't want to short Tesla, even if this market is dripping, just because of how well it's holding. Even though it just turned red on the day, it's the relatively strong name. So if we're going down, I'm not trading that. If we start going up, I want to take a look at it on the macro markets. But that's the only way. Tesla's an automatic. I'm only trading if markets get strong because we know that it has relative strength. So why would you play it any other way? It makes no sense.
Right. Here we go on Amazon. Above 149.
Yeah, Amazon's a piece of shit, bro. Pissed me off, dude. But focus.
Two. 20 MA on the daily is at 620. Golly, no fucking way. This is the wrong chart. Oh my god, dude. Damn, but I had an entry, I think right here, and I was risking somewhere up there, 19, 20 points, 53 points. Jesus Christ. It's all good.
Okay. So this morning I got into work. I'm like,
Yeah, I mean, look, it looks like a trend day, right? Obviously. And when the market's trending, moving away from this 4-hour level, your best bet is to try to get in at the money zone and see what happens. So, you know, the market might bounce back. But until I see a demand line, look at this thing. I don't think it's worth trying to catch a bid down there, but you know, you never know. I ended up catching this run up. And, you know, if I see purple candles down there, I'll change my mind. But until then, just go with the trend. You know what? I think this year I'm gonna go back to. I'm gonna incorporate both supply and demand trading, but I'm going to execute more trend trades. And I'm gonna need the condition to be something like this, you know, where the 1 hour, 30 minute, 15 and 5, they're all up here.
Before I left, she wanted to have the 26th off. I told her I have a full list. I cannot afford to have any more offers. I'm like, date guys all in choice. And I said, you can Friday instead. I think she said, okay, that's fine. So then in my notes to my manager and my supervisor, I said, I didn't call that. I said, Maria may call that on the 26th. Just know I signed it.
Holy shit. My fault, guys. Somebody just fell down the fucking stairs. We got a cleaning crew in here.
She literally works part-time. I do not know how this girl still hasn't done. Like, it's crazy. And she's like, exactly. And so I don't tell her because she's my college child, but I tell my other girls, I said, and I have a group chat with them on my text messages. I said, girls, don't bother you to your skill. See that we step away, just step away out. And like that's how I say it to them. And you know, they love it as I do myself. And I was like, okay, well, as long as I'm not doing your work and you can handle your shit, then by all means go ahead and do it. The second I have to step in because you are my back. I said, just don't let me see you on anybody's radar of leadership. And don't get me in trouble. That's it. Exactly. But, you know, Maria's been here for 8 years. Her, please love her for whatever. And I told her that I'll cover for your meeting this. And then she's like, well, they don't want me to because I'm the one who knows everything. Just gonna be off with my notes. Well, what do you mean you didn't put any notes in here? So that's why they said cancel it because they want Maria to do it. That's crazy. So she's never gonna get fired. This one. And then she's gonna be entitled to unemployment, so she's been there for so long. Or they could be another possibility, black, so they might get, you know, racial, but man, this girl has like 4 kids. They're always sick. She always has something. I'm like, just crazy. It must be nice to make that much money and to be able to come in and out. Because also, she gets the full
5-minute ATR is at 18 points.
You know how much that
If
is.
you get in at the money zone, risking 18 points wouldn't be bad for a trend continuation.
Hell yeah. Yes, she did.
Damn, I like how Amazon's looking again, but I don't know if
Yeah, I
I'll
was gonna
take
say
it.
the tape speed is picking up a little bit in this candle.
Yeah, but I don't like it because of where SPY is. SPY is retesting a level that it can pull back from. So I need SPY to pull back, see how Amazon looks after the pullback versus me getting into Amazon just because it looks good right now.
Right, it could be easily be bear flagging too.
Yeah, so that's what it's doing. So whoever got in thinking they were seeing the same thing I'm thinking right now, you know, they're getting smoked on that kind of flush. But just gotta kind of wait it out here, man. This is fucking. Yeah, it's having difficulties on the 90 MA on the 5.
Oh shoot, I was gonna short it there, but I was a little too slow.
Short what?
I ain't know.
Amazon looks like it's breaking down right here.
Watch out for that demand that they made at 48.57.
They didn't think I was gonna see that.
Alright, I'll take a stab at it. Oh yeah, the 5-minute demand down there.
Mm-hmm.
I'm just gonna keep waiting until an opportunity.
Well, see, I told my manager about that, and she basically said that, oh, we're gonna have to wait for the new user, like, with the compensation. It should be back, honestly.
Bro, I would have been fucking heated if I left that long on from pre-market.
The stupid compensation.
Fucking livid,
So
fam.
she does only 3%. I'm gonna be like, where's my back pay? Where's my raise? Where's all of it?
I had good reason to take that shit off though, so it's all good. This market is definitely oversold, bro.
I just
How long are they gonna keep these run these stops? I don't know, but this shit. The 1 hour pivot. Let's see. This shit is all the way down at 481. We're not going down that far today. Maybe 612, maybe. But I don't think we're gonna see all that.
Like the most stupidest thing ever at this job they want.
If 740 fails next, my next 1 hour is 660.
Huge seller is at 86 right now. He keeps getting bashed. There you go.
Hey, big dog.
Learn
Hello?
to be adaptable, flexible. You can't teach somebody to have
Yo.
person skill, you know? Yeah. That's what I don't understand.
Yo.
This is true.
Alright, Alright, there we go. Made 1R on that on Amazon.
That's why I said, not gonna take it to my
You
mom.
jumped in there, right?
Today because guess what? I get a week chance.
You're in there, right, Evan? I mean,
Oh, I just covered on that flush for 1R.
Oh, nice. Nice. I'm gonna say just
I probably
watch.
could have held if the market wants to keep dripping today, but
I mean, all you can do is just watch the levels that you know could cause a reaction. You might see something. I'll watch the shit out of Amazon right here, see if this shit wants to double bottom or what. It's an easy risk.
Right, right. Yeah, I covered right at 63.
Sexy. That was sexy. Oh, she's dripping. That means NQ is falling too. Whoa, this is disgusting. Another good trend trade just now would have presented itself.
On the NQ.
Yeah.
And I'm so proud of you.
It just keeps rejecting the 5-minute money zone every time it gets up there. That's 3 legs. One more and this shit could pivot.
You do, yeah.
Oh wow, yeah, tap the 90 EMA in the 5 minute.
Yeah, it just keeps hitting that shit and everybody and their mom loading up.
And
The drops are not as violent as the first 9 o'clock drop though, so 9:30 drop, sorry.
Yes. That's okay, because then I'll come over and help you clean yours, because I love to do the same thing.
$740, $685.
Yeah, Nvidia's fucking brain dead right now. That shit is chop chop.
I got a first purple candle on Nvidia.
That shit is chop, yeah.
That's saying, watch, from 76, 79, they made it to 77-ish. But it looks like it might be ready to make a move now. It's like the first
I
purple
like my
candle.
dishes clean, so I just sit there in front.
Oh, look at that bottom wick on Amazon.
I might get in here actually, because that's right off of a demand that I have. But I'm gonna give it a couple. See how it wants to. Yeah, SPY still. You see, I just don't like where SPY's at currently for me to want to get in.
Oh yeah, it's kind of in the middle of the range right there.
No,
Exactly. So,
because if SPY wants to flush like it did again, Amazon. I mean, everything's showing relative weakness besides Tesla.
Yo,
Tesla's the only thing that's strong.
I'm good. Drinking my coffee, sitting at my
Where's
desk.
Google at? Do I have
Yep,
Google at
get
a
the money.
macro? No.
Yeah, I just checked that. It's double bottoming, but not any key levels.
Want to touch base with you really quickly? I sent you something in SMS. Did you get it?
You sent me via text?
Yeah, I sent you
I just got it today. Fixed income traders, U.S. municipal bond. This is a link.
I'm just pulling into the 20 SMA.
You know that little
What,
box
Amazon?
that has
Meta.
Oh, Meta. Nah, I don't. Not interested in Meta. The way that broke this little trend line, I'm not interested on the macros.
That's what we're calling it. It's
Oh, I'm
20
interested
fucking
short,
24,
but it
right?
didn't
Get
give
with
me
the program, bro.
didn't give me a pop that I liked. It just kind of just fell.
You did not make it easier.
You saw where it's from, you know exactly what I searched, and you can see what I got. So you can do the same thing.
All right, sir.
Like I said, I'm gonna be way more stingy this year on the trades that I take because when I nail my trades, like I said before, if I'm nailing an option contract or if I'm nailing an option trade on 40 contracts in a trade that goes in my favor, the way that they do, I'm making $2,000 to $4,000 on those trades.
I'm looking.
Like,
what's that?
so it makes no sense for me to not just wait for those setups because you only need one, right? You only need one a week, and I get a setup, more than one time a week. But an A+++ setup, that's like once every so often. But
this is retarded. Now I gotta go searching for something.
that
Doesn't make
it
sense.
just it takes the complications out because I know if I'm wrong on this setup, my risk is super mitigated, and I know my reward is astronomical. So
Boston, Mass, and Wellington.
if I get 2 of those trades, I'm like, you know, 2 trades is gonna pull in anywhere from 4 to 8 racks
I
in
found
2 trades.
fixed income trader emerging market
Right,
debt
so it's not even
at Wellington,
taking
so I'll
subpar
apply for that,
setups
and I'll
that.
also try to find.
Yeah, I mean, I'm still gonna take, you know, the subpars, but they're gonna be 2, 3 contracts. I lose 30 here, 50 there,
Yeah, don't
you
live in
know.
Boston. They
And
say
then if I gain, I'm
I
making
don't know if this is
150.
hybrid.
I'm losing,
Fuck
you
is
know.
hybrid?
But the 40 contract moves,
The other one's is hybrid, though, right?
you know, I'm putting size in. Yeah,
I don't want to go over to
that's
Boston though. 2-hour ride for work.
that's gonna trump every single loser I take.
You gotta do what you gotta do if that's possible. You know?
Yeah.
You know, I said, let me. Yeah, you know, I was
Ops fell hard
myself
today.
to see what's going on there, so
Thank you.
you know. Yeah, see if you. I'm gonna see this if I get the link and I'll send it to you if I get it.
Okay.
Did you get the link already, or are you gonna get it yet?
No, I'm over here just applying right now.
See the other one. So I'm sending a link to the other one.
Okay. Thank you.
Alright.
Appreciate you, my brother.
Everything else good?
Yeah. How about you?
I'll take a higher low on Amazon again if it wants to reclaim 149.
I think that they're gonna bid this thing back up. I really do. I think they're gonna bid it up, and tomorrow's gonna come, and
Alright, later.
you know, we're gonna be able to utilize some of the levels from today into tomorrow.
It's looking
Oh,
Hey,
okay.
I mean, it's pretty strong.
I think Amazon might be ready now. It look like that stop hunt that they just did with that wick bottom. I don't know if you remember, Evan, when we played that shit that day. It like dropped down below the demand line, and then you saw that wick. I'm like, oh, that's the move.
That's what I did. I used the old time.
Oh, right.
That right there, bro, is something you always want to kind of pay attention to. I think, Vega, you were actually saying this, that when you see something like this, you got to take that move. So who knows?
Yeah, they're definitely high probability setups, I think.
Yeah, they got to beat 149.11 on that thing before I see purple candles. But the whole market is starting to ring off purple candles. Microsoft, Nvidia, Apple just rang off. Meta still has some ways to go. I wouldn't want to touch it up there though. That's the money zone. So I'd miss my op. Which means that in Q, you might break the money zone this time.
Like when we go out,
Risk the swing low. Let me try that shit. Ooh, this is a nice pullback. Hurry up. I closed down my trade today because I didn't want to trade anymore and risk my fucking games this morning.
It was it, but I thought maybe I ace or it was keep up, but it was.
Yeah, it's right back under 86, and that was the previous double bottom. I need to see that become a base. I need to see 86 on Amazon become a base. Or a higher low off of that level. Because getting in on anything that looks relatively strong until it reclaims the real double bottom, it's to me it's not something I want to trade. I gotta see 86 base.
I'm in on LNQ. I'm risking the bottoms, the lows. See if this is where we tap. Start pivoting.
I still think we got some ways to somewhat to chop before we see what direction we're gonna get a little bit later on into the day.
Wow, look at fucking Microsoft. And that's why I would never get in at the money zone right there on Amazon. You'd be holding bricks right now. But that's a good entry, risking the lows there.
If we look at the right on top, that's exactly where I literally put my whole point.
Looks like it.
Oh, but I asked
Fading.
what about?
A lot of these purple candles got wick tops.
Color corrector because I'm tired of
Only
right
one
now.
that's holding is fucking Microsoft.
So, let's see.
But I'm in on NQ at 699, risking 83, so that's almost.
Well, the only difference between this one and this old
See what
stick
happens.
is the old stick has ingredients that cause it my skin's breakout versus the lady that makes these things like for my hair and my face, the serum that I use in the face wash, it doesn't break out.
Nice lunge on Amazon now. Going to 49.
I wonder how you do polls on YouTube. Start getting these strange.
Yo, Evan, you seen that movie Gran Turismo?
No, I haven't yet.
Bro,
Is it good?
fantastic movie. Best racing movie of all time.
Seriously?
Yeah, seriously. Dead ass.
Wow. I was like worried
Like,
because
what's your
it went to
favorite?
Netflix so fast. And I was like, I mean, it's a kind of a crap movie.
What's your favorite racing movie?
I don't know. I really don't have one.
Okay, well, you're into cars and shit, like, bro. That movie is fantastic, bro. Absolutely must watch. Like, it might be it might be top 10 movies of 2023.
Oh wow. Yeah, I remember it came out in theaters over the summer.
Yeah, bro. It's for people like I like cars, bro, but I'm not a car enthusiast. Like that movie is so engaging on its racing, on the characters. Fantastic, bro. Fantastic movie. Like must watch. You have to watch.
About these like kids on video games, right? That became like
Yeah.
real life racers.
Yeah.
Pretty cool. Yeah, I'll have to check that out.
Yeah, it's based on a true story. The kid actually still races.
Wow.
Yeah. And he's good too. Bro, just like me and my wife, we were looking at each other during the movie and we're like, yo, this movie is fire, bro. Like that shit was incredible. It's a very good, it's a must-watch movie in my opinion.
Dang. Yeah. I wasn't sure if it was gonna be good or not, but I'll check it out.
Yeah, it's must-watch, bro. In my opinion, bro, it's a must-watch movie, especially if you like cars and shit like that.
The guy from Stranger Things is in it too, right? What's
Yeah,
his
bro,
name?
he does a great job, bro. David Harbinger.
Oh yeah.
He does a great job in the movie. Like he's like the highlight of the movie.
I'm probably gonna add on this pullback on NQ. We just tapped the money zone and we're kind of having a top wick there, but pretty good on this position. Just went about.
Yeah, I went long on Amazon here, so I'm long with your Spark, but I could have been a little bit early.
Apple's still looking better, man.
You see how Amazon?
Oh shoot, I forgot to check Apple.
Apple looks great. Apple's almost up a point.
You see how Amazon keeps rejecting their money zone on a 5 minute?
Yeah.
You didn't get in up there, did you?
I did. Once it closed above the 9 EMA, I got in on a small pullback, but I got still filled high, so.
Alright, cool. I think you might be good. They need to cross 149. If they could clear that shit, you're gonna see some purple candles, so the bears will get weak. Amazon, Microsoft is still pushing. That Nvidia play still popping. Apple is definitely killing, bro. That shit just...
Microsoft's daily chart looked ugly for the past couple weeks. Almost all of December, actually. It was just like sideways.
Yeah, Amazon. You better watch that demand.
Yeah, I definitely got in there too early. I was FOMOing a little bit.
If you still like the trade, add. And just keep the stop tight.
Yeah, I'm gonna keep the same stop right now at lows. But if it wants to reclaim 149, then I'll set my stop to like 60s instead of 40s or 30s.
I had to let the girl finish, please. I had to tell you now that would be paid. Okay.
5 minute and 15 minute look pretty good to move higher.
Oh, let's fucking go.
I might take Amazon here.
Yeah, I might scale in and raise my stop loss if it wants to hold.
Oh no, it's lunging before I can get in. Let me see. I pull up.
Holy shit. You see Microsoft, bro? Nvidia?
Oh yeah, I'm probably gonna be late for this.
Still got room up to like 40s or 50s. You might get like 1 hour if you're getting up here.
Spies that VWAP.
Oh, I always tell them. Yeah. I just couldn't pay.
How that long end up working for you, Evan?
I'm still in it right now on Amazon.
Oh no, the NQ one that you had took. Was that
Oh, I
NQ?
stopped out on that. Yeah, I stopped out.
Gotcha.
She is funny. Nobody is.
You getting on this this 1 minute pullback, Jonathan, on Amazon?
I don't know, bro. It's hard. It's hard for me to want to get in.
Pulled the trigger on anything yet?
So yeah, I had a long on Amazon that I stopped out on. Small size because I'm focused on all my sizes. All my size trades are gonna be on A plus setups, and there's nothing A plus in this market currently. So I took like a $30 hit on that. So whatever. But now it's working like the long, but I was up here before. Like this is where like I actually was in up until like 20s, but like 149.20s, and it's at 149.05 right now. So it's like whatever. It's still not really my profit target yet. And Apple looks kind of shortable. If it rejects VWAP, this might be shortable, but I don't know.
Yeah, I was gonna ask you that actually, because it's kind of a nice move up, not a lot of higher lows.
Yeah.
Bad, bro. Fuck yo. Oh man. I was supposed to add on that fucking pullback.
Yeah, I should have added there too. Raised my stop loss a bit once it confirmed holding 149.
Oh, yeah, you should have definitely added when I called it. When they went back to that fucking demand. That would have been sick.
Yeah, that was a good call.
All I want is fucking 750, okay? I'm not trying to be greedy, but give me my motherfucking points, bro. Before you start your bullshit. It's stuck inside the fucking money zone on a 5 minute right now. 752 is where the 15-minute money zone is. We got a straight demand line on the 30-minute, 1 hour still working. If this plays out the way I think it normally plays out, we could go back on NQ to the 5-minute or 15-minute supply level for a retest. So that puts us at 810, 816, 810. Holy shit, that'd be a better move. I think we might get that.
Hell no. Oh, I see. Yeah, the legs and stuff.
100.
Shading it. Yeah.
There you go. Please don't stop the music. You got to pump it up. Pump it up. We're gonna catch smoke at 43. Some volume up there. Pump it up. You got to pump it up.
Shoot, yeah, I should have added that 1108. Good add.
Microsoft just had another nice little pop. Apple just went from purple to green, but it did flash a supply line up there. Don't tap out yet. Oh, let's fucking go. Go hit me 50s. I'm gonna move to try to take out the 8. I'm gonna try to play this back to 800. But if we cross 50s, I will be locking that in. Damn, we were right there, fucking 47. Pump it up. You gotta pump it up.
Lunge on Amazon. You know what? I'm just gonna close it out right there.
Hold the trade. No, I'm fucking with you, bro. I'm still holding. Yeah, we just passed. We breached the 50s, so I'm pretty good on this trade. I'm trying to create a poll on this OBS shit, YouTube.
And then it supplies foreman, so I covered that.
Yeah, probably not a bad call. Because they're going to take you for a fucking ride back down just to go back up. And we just hit, yeah, we just tapped into the 15-minute money zone.
Oh, shoot, I should have held it.
Good trade, good trade.
Thanks, man. You too. You got out of your NQ long, right?
Negative.
Oh, you're still in it?
Yeah, bro.
Nice, nice.
This year I am going for 2R. I don't give a fuck. Just be patient for my setups and let the stats do what the fucking stats do. I'm probably being a little greedy here because I definitely went 3R just now, but let's see what happens. I'm gonna definitely lock in if we start failing 50s though, which is still too early to tell. Coach bounce? Oh, don't hit me with the wiki. Fucking bastard.
Apple wants to hold below 50s. I'll short that.
I'm shorted.
Oh, you short already? Nice.
I
nice.
top ticked it.
Yeah, I'll join you in just a sec.
$87 was my risk.
Alright, there we go. The 2-minute supply line just got straight, so I shorted that.
I get one more flush in Apple, honestly. Just a big flush down to Like 20 more cents, honestly.
That just ran over me, I guess. So after. Oh, I just started laughing and you said it.
My trade debate app playing with me. I will get out at VWAP. Let's go. If we clear this, we're gonna shoot to like 70s. I'm assuming.
Oh, here.
First green candle on the 5-minute. We just went from purple to green on MQ.
I started laughing. Yeah.
Here we go. Come on. This thing can just start getting heavy.
I be smiling when you text me, and God will be like, "Grandma, who's making you smile like I'm only I'm here to smile." I'll be silly. I said I was busy. It's very funny. Yeah, okay.
$7.99 is where the stop is.
How much time we have in this candle? A couple more seconds. Let me get rid of. Let me get rid of 3. Wait. Yeah, let me get rid of 3 here. And guide with the rest.
There's one picture of us or her. Oh, wait, she just most of us. I love her. Well, yeah, now.
There we go.
Wow.
Now we working. Now we working.
You guys all out of Amazon?
The third picture.
Yeah, I'm short Apple right now.
Oh my god, bro.
On a bit of size, but I think I might, if this thing doesn't get heavy relatively soon. $46, nice. 45s, yes, bro. I literally top ticked it, bro. I fucking top ticked the short on Apple. That is insane.
It is, yeah.
Alright, let's play some fucking defense.
She is.
The market's still rallying. NQ is.
Her whole family. I saw.
Bro, get out of your Apple trade, bro.
Yeah.
You holding us
Yeah, I'm
back.
out of there. I'm out.
Thank you, sir.
Oh, nice, dude.
Holding us back, bro. We making us move.
So they're always.
I topped literally, bro, before that wick even got put in. I was in that shit at the top of it. That's a good trade.
I'm a candle by candle.
And he tried to hook me up with him. And she told me, but he's my ex. I was like, girl, what's wrong with you? I'm not your ex.
Oh yeah, good
Yeah.
close.
So, like, was trying to hook me up with
I
him.
don't want to move my
"Ew,
stop up too close to this shit. and
Wow,
get-
Amazon would have definitely paid out though. Damn.
Alright, I'm defending 50s.
Damn, bro.
they together, but there was a lot of she had that family from Spurs and, you know, it's just for his mother.
Damn. Amazon was clean. It was pretty clean, dude.
Like, girl, you should hook me up with him wrong.
What the fuck did I just do? Get that out of here.
Ah, you got me. Fucking bastards. I'm out.
Damn it, man. Damn.
And I'm like, I don't even remember repeating. He's like, nah. And then I was like, we should hang out. I talked to Claire then. So he went up to Claire and said, who's this dude saying that he talks to you? And she looked at the number and she said, that's Rupa. And he's like, oh my god, like I didn't even have your number saved. I said, wow, I'll get the beer that with you. I'm afraid they never saved my number.
Oh, Apple might still be good for sure, but I don't know. The way the SPY is gearing, the QQQ is gearing.
Yeah, I probably should have covered it for break even right there, but
Oh, you were in short?
yeah, I was still in short in Apple.
Dude, I fucking top ticked it and then I got out basically on that second like little flush that we got.
Oh yeah, 11-18.
Yeah.
Nice.
Oh yeah, her kids love
So
Fuck,
watch.
man. So I'm nicely green on the day. Now I'm just nothing on size though. So that had a little bit of size to it. Not what I would want. Just a slight little 13 contracts. So not anything crazy, but I'm trying to. It looks like today's not going to be a 40 con day. That's for sure. I think the first day of the new year is definitely seems like it's not going to be a 40 con day. I got 3 in on Amazon and 13 on Apple.
it's different. But he was a lot older. And it's not.
They drink, babe.
They crazy, bro.
You know, as long as they're happy, then that makes me happy. Because I know, baby and
Did your
Pedro
job, you
are
went
the
3 hours.
up for that,
Wow.
like, HR. It's more, yeah, and I'm
Amazon's interesting me for a possible short. Oh, it needs to get up more. The RR skewed. Yeah, the RR would be skewed. I would need it up more. Dude, I really like E-Trace charts. It's significantly, in my opinion, better than Thinkorswim's. Even though I don't think E-Trade allows you to fucking customize shit the way that Thinkorswim does, but I don't need much. What am I looking for? What am I looking for? Meta rejected VWAP, Tesla. Man, like I said, Tesla, bro, this market caught a little bit of strength, and look at that shit. Just geared the fuck up.
Yeah, it's only green large cap right now. I'm watching.
Yeah, bro, it's fucking carrying the market. Not really, though.
The short and Q here if it wants to stay heavy. Just like demand break and retest.
That's 2 trades. Statistically, I have 1 more trade in me. I have 1 more trade that I'm capable of taking.
I like the shorts up there, big dog. 15-minute money zone. That was the first time we made it back into that zone. It was probably
I'm rejecting VWAP.
Oh yeah, I didn't realize it was the 9 EMA and the 50-minute. Good call.
Yeah, that's the first time they touched it all morning. So, but the market is kind of like looking.
I'm not shorting it yet though. I want to see it stay heavy below 47.
For sure.
I did, and then when we got there, like
Alright.
I had a good time with Brandy.
Well, live, I called out some bangers. We made some money. I'm going to close the stream down, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Do this again.
Take some Amazon.